There. That's all I'm going to do with that. Okay. I got my wires pushed in there like so. I should have. I wanted both of those wires to come out exactly the same. And I could leave it like that, or I could pull it out. I could pull this staple out. I'm going to pull that staple out. I said we weren't in a race. Come on. Let's see if I can't do a little better than that. My word. There. It's still gonna move on me to a certain extent. That's all right. Jeez. Now I'm getting particular. For being an old guy, hey, if I wanna spend a couple minutes, couple seconds longer on something, hey, that's up to me, right? It's up to me. Okay. This knee pad, trust me, it really comes in handy. And I probably won't throw it away until it falls apart. It's probably when I'm going to throw it away. I'm just going to put another one up in here. So I just rolled the wire over to have it nice and flat. Okay, there. Now I can go back because I'm done with the wiring over here, right? I can reposition the wire. This little deal I can lower down, get that back down. Guess I better have my mask on for this, huh? Okay. Ooh. I can't reach that one from the ground. Isn't that something? Whoa. That's okay, I fix. I get it a different way. Yes, indeed. Well, they got a little piece of insulation here. They cut way too long. Okay, whatever. hardly see that because my goggles are fogging up. Good. Okay. So I didn't even get over to this end bay, and I can do that another time. Okay. Whew. Just that got me out of breath. Just that. Trust me, when you're working underneath the house or even in the attic, I mean, it's a whole other set of muscles you're using, for sure. And I can see where there's bits here that need to be redirected and lowered in certain areas. I don't see right there. I don't want to get carried away with that. That's not part of what I'm doing right now. I know there's a lot of rearranging stuff later down the road over this whole area, and I'm probably going to end up doing it to keep the air out of the house. That's why they put insulation underneath the floor. Most counties, most states, cities, it's a requirement nowadays. Okay. All right, so now I'm going to take my wire from this box, boom, 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 and keep going. Now see what I should have done. Wasn't thinking, was I? I'm gonna end up taking those two staples out. Cause see, I got to go through here, and I don't want to go underneath this. I want to keep it up into the top, and I got to go through here to go over to my next light, and I'll have to see which bay that is. But see, I'm still going to go straight along this one, go on the other side, then come over and go through wherever. But you remember what I should have done? I should have taken this wire, put it in that hole there, fished it up through there, and then pulled it along here, terminated into my box, and then I have my wire over there, and I can go boom, 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 boom. As it is, if I leave that, I've got to pull my wire through this hole, and then I've got to kind of hold it up there and kind of eyeball and about where it's going to go, come across where it's going to go, and then hold it up there until I get over to the light and then cut the wire. I could do that. And then come back. So see, that way it's a little bit more time consuming, but my word, I spent a little bit of extra time on that. I can do that because it's not that far. I'll pull it because I have this here. I can pull it underneath there, hold it there, pull it over, hold it, and go over. It's not, like I say, it's not that far. So that's what I'm going to do. But see, if you caught me, give yourself an A+ as to where I should have ran that cord. I should have put it over there, pulled the end of it out, shoved it through, ran it along, pushed it in, stapled it, and boom, 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 boom. As it is, once I figure out where the length is down over there, I'll cut it, and I have to bring it back over here, and then fish it through. Okay, and then keep going, and that's what I'm going to do. Okay, my loss is your gain. Or maybe I just planned it that way this time to get you to think, I wonder. I still need to use my wire, but when I get done with my wire, I'm just going to loop-de-loop it back in here, you know, to store it for next time. And it will be all ready for next time I need it. See, don't tear off all the plastic on a 250-foot roll. Just cut a round hole in there, and you'll be able to find one end of it and pull it out, and away you go.